Hi, remember me? I feel like it's been forever since I've provided an update to the school. So here I am, my very last day before I take off on a few weeks of holidays. I've really been delaying speaking or making a video to speak to the group because I've really wanted to provide an update on some of the restructure work that's been going on, but we're not there yet. So I can't provide really much of an update on that in that regard, and trust that once I am able to share what's going on at the institutional level, I will certainly be sharing with the group. So anyway, happy summer, everyone. I hope you're actually not watching this until August when you're back from holidays. For those of you I know who have been curious about what's going on and wondering why I haven't sent a video, hopefully this will make you feel a little bit better as you head into the heart of summer here. Um, yeah, so just regarding the restructure, obviously the announcement rolled out that we are now a polytechnic, and I think that's as official as it's going to get. I wondered if there would be more of I guess, a ceremonial kind of thing or more of an official announcement, but we've all been encouraged to start updating our any of our email signatures and things like that with Red Deer Polytechnic. So I think that's something if you're up to doing at some point here, you might want to go ahead and update that. The other change is the name of our school. So we are now called the School of Community Wellness and Health. It's a bit challenging to get that to roll off the tongue. And after I say that, I've actually asked Kylie if the name is set in stone because you know, I feel like there may be a better approach to naming our school. So some of the things that I've shared with her when naming was considered is that I really want my programs to feel like they see themselves in the name of the school, and that's why the name community has joined our title. And I think that's a good thing, actually. As our school continues to grow and expand, we will be bringing in more community-like programs, or at least that's the intent. And so I do like the word community in the title of the school. The problem with community and health together is people think we're the School of Community Health, which I know is a different thing than community and health. And so I think that's why the wellness got flipped with the health. Um, anyway, I am really open to hearing from folks, and Maylin and I will try and put something together here in the early fall to hear what people have to say or what they think about a good consideration would be for naming the school. So get those creative juices flowing and let me know. I have been told that the name is not set in stone, and if we decide to make a change, we can do that. So I would love to hear from people and get your impression on that. We have a new program entering our school, which I also know came out in an announcement. And I really wanted to take an opportunity to welcome the social work diploma program to the School of Community Wellness and Health. I am so excited to have this program join us. I've had an opportunity to meet with some of the faculty about a week ago to just discuss some of their concerns and things that they're excited about, and just hear from them and learn a little bit more about them. And I can tell you that I'm just so excited to have them join. I think they're going to bring a really different perspective to our school. Already listening to them speak, I've captured all kinds of thoughts and ideas. I'm looking forward to working with them on harnessing some of the strengths that they have and they really don't want to lose as they transition into another school, and then really help them along the way. So welcome to that team. An announcement will be coming out, and an email will be coming out to the school just highlighting the social work program and sharing the names of all of the members and some of the reporting structure and the administrative support and all of that once I know and once I'm able to share that information. So really looking forward to social work joining our school. We said goodbye to our ops manager yesterday. We had our leadership lunch, and the day before that, our administrative team put together a nice little farewell, I guess, potluck at the picnic shelter down by Bower Ponds, which was just lovely for her. I'm so excited for Andrea in her new role in HR. I think that she is going to really influence that area to really positively impact the college. One of the things I'm most excited about is that flexible learning environment She's focused on people and culture. Uh, Everyone spoke loud and clear at our last school council in May around, some of the important things that we don't want to lose that we gained through COVID is that flexible work environment. Of course, that's been shared, and I know other schools feel the same way. So I'm excited to see how this may roll out and actually impact all of us. I'll maybe just continue on with that since I have it on my list to talk about our school councils coming up this fall. We are going to try and have a couple of them in a face-to-face format and then maintain the virtual format for the remainder of them. I did really find, and I know I shared with the group, and I know I heard from people that virtual format was really well received by everyone. I think we had some of the best attendance we've ever had, and just very efficient, and I think really well delivered. So we're going to continue in that format, but we would really like to try and have our first school council face to face, just to bring everyone together physically. So we can see each other and put some names to faces and that sort of thing. Maylin is working on the logistics around that. It sounds like it might be a bit of a challenge, just given the lack of availability of spaces and the number of other schools that may be doing the same thing. So anyway, more to come around that. You will see, or if you haven't already, some calendar invites for school council. We're going to try and do the first one and the last one face to face, with all of the others virtual, but we'll see how that all rolls out. With the loss of Andrea comes the addition of our new ops manager, Alicia Lindsay. Really excited to have Alicia join our team. She has very similar characteristics to Andrea, I would say, in a lot of ways. She's got a lot of energy. She's very positive. She's very smart. She catches on quickly. She's very inquisitive. I'm really excited to have Lindsay join our leadership team and get to know her a little bit better. And I'm excited for her to forge her own path. It's really important that while, Andrea was amazing and was our longest standing administrator in the school, we have a new Andrea, so to speak. We have Alicia, and Alicia will forge her own path, and it's important that we allow her to do that. So welcome, Alicia. We're very excited to have you join our school and our leadership team. What else do I have to share here? The signatures. So again, I'll just mention again, if you have some time this summer, you're thinking about it, not a bad idea to update your email signature for the institution, possibly the school as well, knowing that it could change. But anyway, I guess just kind of keeping up to date, it wouldn't be a bad idea to switch that up when you have the opportunity. You may have seen Dr. Nanota's email from the other day. We have been approved to offer 2 new degrees in the psych area, so the BSc Psych and the BA Psych. That's really exciting, I think, for students and prospective students, I guess, in Central Alberta. We have 2 essentially new degrees that they can enroll at Red Deer Polytechnic. Also 2 new diplomas in the area of arts and sciences, which will also be a great addition to that area. So there's lots going on in the institution, and again, I'm super excited about what's ahead in August. I can't wait to see people again. It was so nice last Thursday to actually see people 3-dimensionally, and in color and not with a green room behind it. I was laughing with Shireen. I'm not used to seeing her without a blue panel behind her, because she's always in a blue room in her home. So anyway, I am really looking forward to seeing people in the fall, and I'm taking off here for a few weeks. Really excited to be sort of unplugging for a little while. Shireen and Terry are both around, so if you need anything from either of them, and of course Maylin is around as well, so if you need anything, please feel free to reach out. And of course, I'm always available, so if an emergency comes up and you really feel you need to talk to me directly, don't hesitate. I'm always here, and I'm happy to help you out if I can. So have a great rest of your summer, everyone. Welcome back if you're watching this coming back from your holidays. Looking forward to seeing you all in the fall. Bye.